All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to break down a certification that's becoming a huge deal for anyone looking to get into artificial intelligence, the Microsoft AI 900. If you've been looking for a straightforward, no-nonsense guide to actually pass this thing, you are in the right place. Let's do this.
So let me ask you a question. Have you ever just looked at your phone and it unlocked? Or, when you're scrolling through Netflix and it serves up a show that feels like it was practically made for you? Well, that's not magic. That right there is artificial intelligence in action, and it's already woven into pretty much everything we do. The AI 900 exam, that's your ticket in. It's the perfect first step to really get your head around these amazing technologies, specifically on the Microsoft Azure platform. Now, just to be super clear so we're all on the same page, this guide is all about the AI 900. Think of it as the fundamentals exam. It's all about the concepts and, get this, no coding required. That makes it perfect for students, people changing careers, or even professionals who aren't super technical. It's a whole different beast from the AI 102, which is for hands-on engineers who already code. So if you're starting out, you are exactly where you need to be. Here's our game plan. We'll start with what the exam is all about. Then we'll slice and dice the exam blueprint. I'll give you a winning study strategy, point out the common traps to avoid, and then we'll wrap up with the big one, why this actually matters for your career. So let's kick things off with the absolute basics. What in the world is the AI 900 exam? Honestly, the best way to think about it is as your official gateway into the world of AI on Azure. Okay, here are the need-to-know details. You're going to face somewhere between 40 and 60 multiple choice questions. To pass, you need to hit that magic number, 700 out of 1,000. Now, the time you get is a little flexible. We've seen sources say it can be anywhere from 45 to 90 minutes, so just be ready for that. It'll set you back about $99, give or take, depending on where you live. And maybe the best part, because it's a fundamental cert, it usually doesn't expire. How great is that? All right, moving on to something absolutely critical. We're going to deconstruct the exam blueprint. And trust me, this isn't just about reading a list of topics. This is about knowing your battlefield so you can plan your attack. And this is so important. Why? Because one of the single biggest mistakes people make is they just glance at the blueprint, or worse, they ignore it completely. They end up studying everything equally, and that's just a terrible way to manage your time. Now, look at this. This table right here is your secret weapon, for real. This is the official breakdown of what's on the exam. Notice something? The fundamental principles of machine learning section is the heavyweight champion, making up almost a quarter of your score. This tells you exactly where to spend the most time. Don't just study hard, study smart. Use these percentages to guide you. Okay, so you know the rules of the game, and you've got the map. Now for the most important part, your winning study strategy. This is the actual path to success. Look, you can boil a great strategy down to 3 simple steps. First, you got to master the core ideas. Use the official Microsoft Learn path for this. It's free, and it's the ultimate source of truth. Second, you absolutely must get your hands dirty with the labs. Theory is not enough. And third, and this is key, you have to test yourself, constantly. Using AI 900 practice questions is how you find your blind spots before the exam does. And listen to this, because it really shows the power of the tech community. This is from a contributor on GitHub who passed the exam, and they said it all. You don't need to go out and spend a ton of money. There are fantastic free resources and AI 900 practice questions out there, especially the official Microsoft ones, that are more than enough to get you that passing score. Knowing what to do is half the battle, but knowing what not to do, that can be a total game changer. So let's talk about the common traps you need to sidestep. First up, this is a big one, only focusing on theory. Look, reading about Azure's AI services and actually clicking around in the Azure portal are 2 totally different experiences. You need that hands-on practice to build muscle memory and just get comfortable with the environment. The labs aren't optional, they're essential. Trap number 2 is underestimating the clock. Time can be your worst enemy on exam day if you're not ready for it. So what's the fix? It's simple. Do timed AI 900 practice questions. This gets you used to the pace, helps you figure out your rhythm, and seriously cuts down on that exam day stress. And the final trap is the classic mistake of cramming instead of reviewing. Your brain just can't effectively absorb everything in one massive last-minute session. The science on this is really clear. Spaced repetition, where you review topics over time, is way more effective for actually remembering things. So don't just study, review, and review again. So you've put in all this hard work. You've followed the plan. What's the actual payoff? In this final section, let's get into why this really matters and what this little certification can actually do for your career. Getting that passing score unlocks some pretty serious perks. It's proof that you have a solid, verified understanding of AI. It shows employers you actually know your way around Microsoft's core AI tools. It's also the perfect launch pad for more advanced certs down the line, and it just plain gives you a competitive edge in the job market. And I'm not just talking in the abstract here. This can literally open doors to specific jobs. We're talking roles like junior AI developer, cloud support associate, or junior data analyst. Hiring managers for these positions are often looking for exactly this kind of foundational knowledge on a resume. It makes you stand out. I want to leave you with this amazing story from a user on Reddit. They failed their first try with a 685, so close, because they got excited and submitted without reviewing their answers. The very next day, they went back, took their time, reviewed carefully, and scored a 900. It's just a perfect reminder that sometimes being methodical and persistent is just as important as knowing the material. So, there you have it. You have the blueprint. You've got a simple 3-step strategy based on learning, doing, and testing yourself with AI 900 practice questions. You know the traps to watch out for and the career doors this can unlock. Really, there's only one question left. When are you going to start?